Hershey's Chocolate World. You know that I'm gonna have some chocolate. This is gonna be great. Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here. I'm here today with Violet.
Hi.
And we are at Hershey Park in Pennsylvania. We're gonna go on some rides and we're gonna have some fun. So let's go check it out. So what kind of ride do you want to go on?
Like roller coasters.
A roller coaster maybe?
Yeah.
We'll have to check it out. All right, we did it. Woohoo! So Violet, I was here a really long time ago when I was a kid, so I'm excited to see all the new stuff at the park. This is gonna be great. There he is, Milton Hershey. We're gonna put milk in the chocolate. What, are you crazy? Heck yeah, we going on this first?
Yep.
All right.
The key looks pretty nice.
Welcome aboard, agents. Your amplifiers will let you channel your Reese's spirit.
First ride.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Welcome aboard, agents. Your amplifiers will let you channel your Reese's spirit.
Loading Reese's training suit.
Park those power points, agents. The factory needs your Reese's spirit.
Intruders detected. Stolen and sweet. Nice work, team.
Now, agents,
Oh, it looks like a roller coaster.
agents, the factory has been breached. This is not a drill. I repeat, not a drill.
No, but that is.
Agents, it's the lead.
We need to stop them.
Training's over.
The crystal cup is mint.
Without the crystal cup, the factory has no power. We need your Reese's spirit. You can't sell mint. The crystal cup is absorbing the energy.
After it.
You need to stop that mint. You can't let him get away with the cup. Don't let mint get away.
That's the spirit. Show them what you're made of.
We need to retrieve the crystal cup.
Snakes. I got the snakes.
Stay alert. Mint has to
Oh,
be
there's the
around
mint.
here somewhere.
Here's your mint. Oh boy.
Keep your eyes peeled. Mint can't be far.
There he is.
Force agents, we need your Reese's spirit. After him. You can do this. It's all up to you.
There he is.
We can't let him escape.
Oh no. Mint's gotten into the lab.
Look sharp, agents. Give us the cup, Mint.
Oh no.
There he is. Get him, get him, get him.
And now, my secret game plan.
Look, one of them.
Oh no.
Don't let him get away. Let's go.
Smells like bubble gum.
You got this, team!
Show them what you're made of. Look out!
Give it up, Mint! Don't let them get away!
Oh, he's trying to escape. Oh no.
Made of gum, can let's make a bubble! Aim for the mint on his body! Oh! That's it! Keep it up! Keep it up! It's just up!
Whoa.
You did it!
Put that through your leg.
Thanks to you, the Reese's Crystal Cup is back where it belongs.
Nice work, agents. Look out at the Reese's Cupfusion Hall of Fame.
Look at your score. Look at those scores right there. That's a pro score.
Seated until you.
There he is.
Yeah, I killed you.
Ah, we got you.
I killed you.
What'd you think? Was it good?
It was good.
It was pretty good.
Honestly, I think I got the best score ever.
You got the best score, huh?
You have a fan here!
Hello.
Hello! So nice to see you.
Whoa! I know you. What's up? What's up?
She walked to the east, she walked to the west, but she's the girl that I love. Come on down and get your picture.
I don't know. Is my daughter tall enough? Are you tall enough here? I think so. Okay, pick one. Thank you.
Hold on to the center wheel. Do not lean out the cup.
Thank you. All right. Put the teacups in the background. Violet, how do you like the park so far?
It's good.
Do you think it's pretty here? It's a nice park. Cano. it gets you dizzy, doesn't it? Alright, woohoo! So we're at the spray ground right now. We're having a great time. I'm gonna try to go on a roller coaster if I can. I haven't had much of a chance to though, but if you have a chance to come check this park out, it's pretty awesome.
Hey, you guys!
So one last ride and then we're gonna head to the gift shop, okay?
Okay.
Let's do it.
Scare some kids! God, scare some kids!
All right, a roller coaster. Bless you, Violet. All right, that was our roller coaster we got in on our trip. We're gonna head to the gift shop. It's kind of getting late, but this has been a great experience so far. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Awesome. Mmm. All right, thank you so much. So I wonder what oddities we can find at the gift shop. I think it's that way. So what'd you get there?
I got this.
All right, huh? You're gonna take that back to Texas. Okay, everybody, that was our trip to the Hershey Park. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
And we're gonna press on. We've got a few other stops to do, and we're gonna head over to New York. So stay tuned. And meanwhile, I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want you all to keep on rocking.
Bye.